Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on Toyota Urban Cruiser. The AC condenser, you can see it's located right there behind the front bumper. In order to get access to the AC condenser, first we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, first we need to remove those plastic clips on the side of the bumper, one there and this one down there, and it's the same on the other side. The two plastic clips, one on top right there. In order to remove that clip, you need to push it in and then pull it out. So get a screwdriver and just push it in, and then you can pull out the plastic clip. And now that the plastic clip is removed, you can see that the front bumper is free on this side. Next, we're going to remove the plastic clip on the bottom. You just need to turn it and then pull it out. We do the same on the other side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. These are the bolts right there that I'm showing you. About 3-4 bolts, some metal clips, and that's it. Next, we'll go to the top of the car and remove the plastic clips holding the front bumper on top. We've already removed them, but in all these holes there is plastic clips just like this one that we need to remove. You just this plastic clip, you just push it in the middle and then pull it out. Now that all the bolts and plastic clips are removed that hold the bumper, now we can pull out the bumper. That's the bumper out now. Before we take it out completely, first we need to disconnect the electrical connectors on the two sides and then take out the bumper. Now that the bumper is removed, we have access to the AC condenser and the cooling radiator. This is the AC condenser on the front and the cooling radiator is behind it. First we'll start by removing the two bolts holding the two AC lines. That's one on top and the other one is on the bottom, and then remove the AC lines from the AC condenser. That's the AC lines removed. Next I'll remove the bolt holding the horn because it's in our way, and also I'm going to remove this metal plate. It's held by a couple of bolts, one down there, one on top. We also need to remove this plastic housing. There it's held by two plastic clips, so we remove those clips and then pull out this plastic thing. We start by removing the horn, then we're going to remove the bolts holding the metal plate. Now that we've removed all these, we have better access to the AC condenser. We can see the AC condenser is held to the radiator by a plastic clip. We need to get some pliers or a screwdriver and just push in the two tabs on the two sides, and the AC condenser will release from the radiator. I'm also going to remove the metal plate that's on top of the AC condenser and the cooling radiator. Maybe then it will be much easier to push in the two tabs and separate the AC condenser from the radiator, but I'm doing it now. You might want to do it later on. Next I'm going to remove this metal plate that's on top of the two radiators, and these are the bolts that we need to remove. We're not going to take out this metal plate completely, we're just going to push it up a little bit so that it's not in our way. And now we can remove the AC condenser. Like I said, this plastic tab that's holding the AC condenser to the radiator is now going to be much easier to remove. All you need to do is push the two tabs. I've already done it, and that's the AC condenser out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. Before we put on the new AC condenser, first we're going to fill it with about 50 milliliters of oil, AC oil pack 46. And now we're going to put on the new AC condenser onto the car and assemble it in the reverse order. Don't forget to replace the O-rings on the two AC lines before connecting them to the AC condenser. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.